storage, and here you can see the SATA options. And now we'll add a new SATA port, which will be for the Ubuntu ISO. So I'll click on new SATA, add a SATA port. So here I'll choose Ubuntu 22's ISO, and now I'll click on choose and see the SATA port has been added with the Ubuntu ISO. I'll click on OK, and now let's check the SATA port if it has been added. So it has been added successfully. So now we can start the machine. Okay, so the Windows has been booted now. So okay, now I'll go to the recovery option. No, so yeah, we have to go to the settings, and in the settings you'll find the recovery option. So in the recovery option, you have to go to advanced startup and click on restart now. I'll click on restart now right now. Okay, so the recovery options has been opened now. Now I'll go to use a device option. So okay, let me check in which SATA port the Ubuntu file is. So okay, so the Ubuntu file is in the SATA port 3. So in the use a device option, I'll choose the third SATA port. Okay, and now I'll choose try and install Ubuntu. We'll wait for some time until Ubuntu is loading. Okay, so Ubuntu has been loaded. We will now select install Ubuntu option. We'll choose the default languages, which is English US. Now we'll choose all the default options, that is normal installation, and click on continue. Okay, now we'll select install Ubuntu alongside Windows Boot Manager because we have to dual boot Windows and Ubuntu. We'll select the size we have to allocate to Ubuntu. So I'll allocate around 28 GB to Ubuntu. So yes, 28 GB, and I'll click on install now. Okay, now click on continue. So this is some location information. I'll choose the time zone. This is India right now and click on continue. So now I have to enter my username, password, and computer's name. Okay, so now I'll wait until Ubuntu is installing. Okay, so the installation is complete now. So I'll just restart my virtual machine. Okay, so the installation is complete now. Uh, Before moving ahead, I have to make a few changes in the settings. So go to settings. In the display option, you can go to this graphics controller, select VMS VGA option, and click on OK. Now we'll restart our machine. Okay, so Ubuntu is starting up just fine. We'll log in once. So these are some setup options which we can skip for now, and we can set up these later on. Okay, so now I will restart my Ubuntu. Okay, so from the boot manager, I have selected Windows. So Windows and Ubuntu are dual booting right now. I'll restart Windows once more too. So as you can see, the boot manager is here. I have selected Ubuntu from it. So our dual booting is complete. So yes, as you can see, the dual booting is complete right now, and we have the option to choose between Ubuntu and Windows Manager. So that's all for today. So we have successfully dual booted both Ubuntu and Windows. Thank you.